What if 2 everyday foods, blueberries and walnuts, could support your brain, heart, and gut when you eat them regularly? Here's the simple idea. Blueberries act like tiny bodyguards for your cells, full of antioxidants that help neutralize damaging molecules. Walnuts are the builders, offering omega-3 fats and other plant nutrients that support cell repair and structure. Together they form a protect and rebuild team. One shields, the other helps rebuild. And that combination is why adding both to your daily routine can be especially useful. So why does this combo matter? Let's break it down. What happens in your brain? Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, natural compounds that help reduce oxidative stress, a kind of wear and tear at the cellular level. Some of those compounds can reach brain tissue and may help protect areas involved in memory and learning. Walnuts bring omega-3 fats, which are key components of cell membranes in the brain. These fats help keep neurons flexible and able to communicate. Together, the antioxidants from blueberries protect fragile brain tissue, while the fats in walnuts help maintain and rebuild the structures that let brain cells talk to each other. Research suggests this pairing may support memory, attention, and age-related cognitive resilience, but keep in mind results vary and long-term habits matter more than single meals. And your heart? Here, the same protect and rebuild idea applies. Antioxidants in blueberries can help prevent the oxidation of cholesterol, a process that contributes to plaque formation in arteries. Walnuts are known for heart-friendly fats that can support healthier cholesterol profiles and help maintain the flexibility of blood vessels. When you combine protective antioxidants with restorative fats, you get a complementary effect that supports cardiovascular health over time. That doesn't mean one snack will eliminate risk, but regular inclusion of these foods is associated with better markers of heart health in many nutrition studies. How about your gut? Blueberries and walnuts both feed friendly gut bacteria. Blueberries bring fiber and plant compounds that act like fuel for beneficial microbes, and walnuts contribute both fiber and fats that support a diverse microbiome. A healthier gut community can mean steadier digestion, fewer bloating episodes, and broader benefits for metabolism and immune function. Some people also notice subtle mood benefits because the gut and brain communicate closely. Again, these are supportive links, not quick fixes, but making your gut a priority through food choices can ripple into other areas of wellness. Inflammation and aging, what to expect. Inflammation and oxidative stress are part of aging and many chronic conditions. Blueberries and walnuts contain polyphenols and other compounds that may reduce low-grade inflammation and protect cells from oxidative damage. Think of blueberries as the rust-preventive coating and walnuts as the maintenance crew that keeps cellular structures strong. Over time, these small daily reinforcements can contribute to better joint comfort and cellular longevity, though they are one part of a larger lifestyle picture that includes sleep, movement, and stress management. Practical how-to. Easy ways to eat them every day. Here's the most important part: how to make this simple and sustainable. Aim for roughly 1/2 to 1 cup of blueberries and about 4 to 7 whole walnuts, a small handful, per day. That's enough to get meaningful amounts of the protective antioxidants and the omega-3 fats without overdoing calories. Quick ideas: breakfast bowl, stir blueberries and chopped walnuts into oatmeal, or a hot grain of choice. Smoothie, blend half a cup of blueberries, a small handful of walnuts, a banana, and your favorite milk or yogurt. Yogurt bowl, plain yogurt, or a dairy-free alternative, topped with blueberries, walnuts, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Snack, a small container of fresh blueberries with a separate handful of walnuts for a mix-and-match bite. Salad boost, toss blueberries and roughly chopped walnuts into leafy greens with a simple vinaigrette. Soaking trick for walnuts. If walnuts sometimes feel bitter or hard to digest, try soaking them overnight in water and then rinsing them before eating. Soaking can soften the texture and may make the nuts easier on your digestion for some people. It's optional, but worth trying if raw nuts don't sit well with you. Safety and portion notes. 2 quick cautions. Tree nut allergies are common and can be serious. If you have a walnut allergy, avoid them and choose other omega-3 sources like flaxseed or chia. Also, nuts are calorie-dense, so stick to the small handful guideline to keep portions reasonable within your daily needs. If you're managing specific conditions like high cholesterol, diabetes, or are on medication, consult your healthcare provider about how these foods fit into your plan, what to expect, and how to be consistent. Eating blueberries and walnuts every day won't create overnight miracles. Expect subtle changes first, more steady digestion, small improvements in focus or energy, and the comfort of knowing you're regularly supplying protective and restorative nutrients. The real power comes from consistency. Small habits compound. A little bit each day adds up over months and years. Recap. Unlock the power. Blueberries protect cells with antioxidants. Walnuts rebuild and strengthen with omega-3 fats and plant nutrients. Together they form a practical, food-first strategy to support brain function, heart health, gut balance, and lower-level inflammation when included regularly in your diet. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical, science-forward nutrition tips. Tell us in the comments, how do you like to eat blueberries and walnuts? Do you have a favorite recipe or a soaking hack? We'd love to hear. Thanks for watching, and here's to small daily habits that add up to big benefits. Important notice, this content is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended to replace medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional or physician before making changes to your diet, supplements, or health routine.